Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Emily and today we're diving deep into a story that's brewing quite a stir in Vietnam's bustling coffee scene. After nearly 8 months of silence following the closure of its sole premium branch in Ho Chi Minh City, nestled on the elegant Han Thuyen Street in District 1, Starbucks has dramatically re-emerged. It's not just a reopening, it's a resurrection, a phoenix rising from the ashes, or perhaps a siren call echoing from the dizzying heights of the Bitexco Financial Tower. This isn't your average neighborhood Starbucks. We're talking about a flagship, a statement, a declaration of intent. Forget the whispers and predictions that followed Adidas's departure from a 256 square meter space. Starbucks has not just filled the void, it has exploded it. Their new store, sprawling across 2 floors, boasts a staggering 500 square meters, making it one of the largest Starbucks in all of Vietnam. Let's just pause and absorb that for a moment. 500 square meters. In Bitexco Tower. We're not in Kansas anymore. Are we? Now, let's talk numbers. Because numbers, as they say, never lie. Market rental rates at the base of this iconic tower hover around a cool $150 per square meter. Do the math? And Starbucks is potentially shelling out a jaw-dropping $75,000 per month. That's over 1.9 billion Vietnamese dong every single month. And that's before any sweet deals for big, long-term tenants. Consider this. This new rent is a staggering 3.7 times higher than their previous spot on Han Thuyen, for a space that's only roughly double the size. Is this aggressive expansion? Or audacious overspending? Some might call it a bold move. Others, perhaps a reckless gamble. But Starbucks isn't just throwing money at square footage. They're investing in an experience, a lifestyle, a whole new level of coffee culture, or so they hope. This isn't just about selling your standard frappuccinos and lattes. Oh no, this is next level. Alongside the familiar menu, they're pushing their premium reserve offerings, priced 10% higher than your regular Starbucks fix. But wait, there's more. Buckle up, because here comes the twist. This isn't just a coffee shop, it's a cocktail bar in disguise. Enter mixology. Starbucks' foray into the world of alcoholic beverages. We're talking tea and coffee-infused cocktails, priced at a cool 200.000 VND and upwards per drink. And yes, they have bartenders, real bartenders, putting on a show, mixing, shaking, and stirring up a storm. Before this, Vietnam only had one mixology concept store, tucked away in Hanoi. Opened just last February? Think about it. Vietnam, a relatively small market, now boasts 2 reserve mixology locations. Even Thailand, a regional powerhouse, only has around 3. As a company representative pointed out, this is, shall we say, unusual. Is Vietnam punching above its weight in Starbucks' global strategy? Or is there something else brewing beneath the surface? Starbucks first set foot in Vietnam in February 2013 and has since expanded to 126 stores across 17 provinces and cities. Their ambition is clear: aggressive expansion. They aim to open another 10 branches by June, venturing into 3 new markets: Quy Nhon, Mai Tho, and Long Xuyen. But Ho Chi Minh City, the crown jewel, remains their battleground. The Bitexco resurrection is just the beginning. Starbucks has hinted at a second premium store, slated to open in July, in what they describe as a very central location in District 1. Now, District 1 real estate, especially prime streets like Dong Quoi, we're talking rents soaring up to 8 million VND per square meter. That's another billion dong plus rental space, potentially on the horizon. We can't reveal the exact location yet, but we're definitely not going back to Han Thuyen, a company spokesperson coyly added. So, what's driving this sudden surge, this premium push? Starbucks is clearly accelerating its expansion in Vietnam, particularly in prime locations and with these high-end concepts. And it's happening against the backdrop of a recovering service sector in the first quarter and record-breaking international tourist arrivals in Vietnam in the first 3 months of this year. Ho Chi Minh City is leading the charge, welcoming over 10 million visitors, raking in nearly 56.700 billion VND in revenue in the first quarter alone. This, in turn, is fueling a 14.2% growth in retail and consumer service revenue. Mr. David Jackson, General Director of Avison Young Vietnam, a real estate services firm, offers a fascinating perspective. He notes that the musical chairs of brands swapping prime retail spaces in District 1 reflects both fierce competition and the undeniable allure of Vietnam's retail and consumer market, especially in Ho Chi Minh City. This city has rapid urbanization, a growing middle class, and increasing tourist numbers, driving a higher demand for quality dining experiences, he astutely observes. But it's not just about prime real estate battles with chains like Cat Knot, Highlands, Phuc Long, Phay La, and Amazon. Starbucks is also trying to, dare we say, go local. They're making a noticeable effort to incorporate Vietnamese flavors into their menu, introducing drinks that resonate with local palates, like Café Soda, Café Moi, and Café Dua, Vietnamese iced coffee, salt coffee, and coconut coffee. Are they finally acknowledging the local competition? Or is this just a strategic maneuver to broaden their appeal? So, is this premium push a masterstroke? Or a high-stakes gamble? Is Starbucks betting big on Vietnam's burgeoning middle class and tourist influx? Or are they chasing a fleeting trend? Are they truly committed to the Vietnamese market? Or is this just another chapter in their global expansion playbook? Only time will tell if this premium resurrection will lead to a golden age for Starbucks in Vietnam, or if it will become a cautionary tale of ambition exceeding market realities. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And stay tuned for more in-depth analysis and updates on this developing story. This is Emily, signing off for now. This is a summary and analysis built on a massive language model, updated rapidly with the latest information, designed to provide you with a comprehensive perspective. Please subscribe to the channel to follow the latest and fastest updates.